How to customize your gel blaster. Quick tutorial. All you would need is sandpaper, your gun, and markers. Start by sanding down your gun. This will help the paint stick. Make sure you sand down both sides. Then grab a marker of your choice. I choose black and start drawing on the gun. The drawing part takes a long time because you need to get in the cracks and go over again. I split this video up so it wasn't boring. Here is the progress. Next is this part. It should be easy because it isn't too much space to color. Next is the front of the gun. I used blue to color it. If you guys wanted to do this, I would recommend using darker color. It is easier because you don't got to go over as much. We are making good progress. Just make sure you get in the cracks so it looks as best as possible. It takes a lot of time to do this. Next is right here. I am going to be using black. Next is this part. I'm going to be using black. This is a small part, so it shouldn't take long. Almost done. We are going to do the rail next. For this, we are going to be using blue. This part is easy because it's pretty much straight. Last part. For this part, I'm going to be using blue. Here is the after result. How do you like it? Comment, like, and subscribe.